Hello guys, today we are talking about how to send certificate using Google Form use Google Form when quiz is over. First step, use G Suite account. If you don't have the G Suite account, if you use Gmail account, there is a 100 mail limitation per day, 100 mail limitation. Then create Google Form and go to more three vertical dots and search certify em add-ons. Once it's installed, go to email inbox and activate, open certificate add-ons and click show certification control. Here in my Gmail Google Chrome, in I am going to my Google Drive, and there is a one Google Form. There is a COVID-19 awareness quiz. I have already made this quiz inside my Google Drive, and uh, it is my G Suite account ronak.panchal@vtcbb@edu.in. Now here is the more option. Now you can add add-ons and search certify em add-ons uh, and search and install. I have already installed, so I don't need to install again. So now close this window. Now you can go to certify em and click on okay. Here we can open, go to show certify control. Here there is a one option, show certified option. Okay, and you can attach your certificate. I have already made this certificate inside my Google Drive using Google Slide. Google Slide is like a just PowerPoint. Already this concept. Here I have mail merge concept, full name, percentage and date. Here is the generate. You can also add many more things inside the Google Form certificate, inside the Google Slide also. And now here is, first of all, you can add certification is on. You can now you can and on certification, right? I already turn on and turn on certification. This is my steps. Now there is my record form and there is a passing limit. You can add limit, how a student get minimum mark, he will or he or she will can get a certificate. I have milestone is a 20 percentage. If a student will get, then he or she can get certificate. Here is my template. It is a built-in template, and here is my custom template, and I can choose here my template. Now template is custom. I choose custom template and select new file. If you have new certificate, I already save and click select certificate, save change. There is no change, but I making this video, that's why I show you. And there is a advanced portion. There is a advanced. You can whatever you write in email, you can put sender name. It is a VTC BB, subject of email, certificate, and dear student, congratulations for passing COVID-19 awareness certificate. Whatever you write inside the body of the content email, this is the email body. And if you want to see set BCC blind carbon copy, and here is the PDF, and send via email. If you want to send image, you can also send image. Okay, so save. I already save all these things. So this is my quiz, and this is my respondent, and here is my record summary. Yes, this is my record. Students records are putting over here. In this you can set certificate ID, certificate code, certificate so percentage, total mark, that all I set over here. This is the standard code. You can mention. If you want to add percentage, you compulsory write double curly bracket and percentage. If you want to give the full name of student, you can write full name and date format. This is this type of things I have got from. This is one certify email Google templates. There is a template, merge tags. Yes, this one. You can use this merge tags inside the image. This is the documentation. You can ready-made they use this ready-made task inside the certificate. You can add this from here. Yes, full name, a date, other option. If you want to use other option, means there is a one faculty designation, student designation, students role, something. If you want to add, you can put in other identifier, other identifier to other identifiers. Date, this is the format, date format. You can mention percentage, passing percentage, and certificate ID you can mention in certificate. Now then you can add inside and save and close. Right, this is the way to use how to send certificate using Google Form when quiz is over. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and subscribe